What we have here is the KHDK #1 Overdrive, and this is brought to us by this relatively new company, KHDK, and that stands for Kirk Hammett and David Karen. I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. And they released another product called the Ghoul Screamer that kind of got our attention a little bit. We got this thing in, and this is just a very cool overdrive pedal. I'm running it into a clean Blackstar amplifier right now. That's what the amp is giving us. So now I'm going to kick this in with basically the gain switch set to low and all the controls as you see here. And so I just got like a slight overdrive to it there. But very dynamic, very clear sounding. And so I'm going to run the gain up a little bit higher. We're still on the low setting now. Now here's where things get kind of interesting with it. The bass control not only controls bass frequencies, it's also another gain stage that the first gain stage cascades into. So it will not only influence low end, but also the overall distortion level. So now I'm going to run these back here, and we're going to switch this from low to high. Now all of this is still while we're running into the clean channel on this Blackstar amp. This pedal I think is great at overdriving an amp that's already dirty. And so once again, we're going to turn this off. I'm going to change channels on the Blackstar. And so that's where the amp is right now. All that distortion is coming from the amplifier. And now we're going to see what this pedal does in front of a dirty amp. So what I can do now is essentially take what was a 2-channel amp with an overdrive in front of it. I can have a clean sound. I can have the amp sound with a little bit of crunch. I can have the clean sound with this pedal in front of it. And then for just a completely over-the-top gain sound, I can kick the dirty channel in with this pedal cranked out. So that is the KHDK #1 Overdrive. I have a feeling we're going to be seeing a lot more from this company, so you should definitely check them out.